Yellow card Simpiwe Makhanya, jersey number 4. Uthi Ninombembe uthi Sihle Mkhonda lisusa elibhola alisusa Sihle Mkhonda alithumela embili ekhathe 18 enhloko Manzini Wanderers nethi walicinzetela Johnson Mensah libhola lelibukeke ngathi lapha ya Manzini Wanderers. Yebo Johnson Mensah ungathi uyehluleka lapha ya kepha wasusebenzisa inhloko yakhe walicinzetela ngenhloko. Yebo ungathi ungqunzene kabuhlungu lapha ya nemhlalo wetinyosi alishaya Manzini Wanderers. Yebo likholilayo lokuqala lalona mhlalo nga exactly 9 minutes esigabeni sesibili 1 Manzini Wanderers not tinyosi. Yebo 1 Manzini Wanderers not Tinyosi. Johnson wakamenza ulele phasi ke manje nangiya Johnson Mensah ngemva kokuthi acinzetele libhola lelihle kakhulu into the next round of the Ingwenyama Cup, which is a last 16. Yes, last 16 teams that are into the the 15 teams that are into the next round include the defending champions, Young Buffaloes, who won by 3-1 earlier today, and Babane Highlanders, who won by 2-0 also this afternoon, as we now witness Manzini Wanderers also taking the lead. The match now has resumed again. Here is Johnson Mensah. Johnson Mensah inside the 18 area. Manzini Wanderers inside the 18 area. Another opportunity. Manzini Wanderers. Corner kick. An opportunity missed by Mike Dombo, who wanted to treble the entire defense, but that could not work to his advantage, as Tinyosi were able to clear at the near post, therefore giving Manzini Wanderers an opportunity to get their second corner kick into the second half. Let's look into the corner kick. Manzini Wanderers trying to get a net. A header from Manzini Wanderers. Goal scored. Yes, a clear header from Manzini Wanderers by none other than their player Mhleli Mngomezulu. Utilizes an opportunity from the corner kick spot and headers straight into the goal post. Manzini Wanderers 2, Tinyosi 0. Yes, Manzini Wanderers are on fire now, scoring their second goal at exactly 20 minutes into the second half. It's 2 Manzini Wanderers, not Tinyosi. Yes, Ingwenyama Cup has come lively now that Manzini Wanderers have scored 2 goals. And here is Tinyosi on the attack. Yes, the referee blows the whistle to end the match. Yes, and the Manzini Wanderers are through to the last 16 of the Ingwenyama Cup after defeating Tinyosi, an MTN First Division team, by 2-0. Those goals were scored into the second half, scored by Mhleli Mngomezulu as well as Johnson Mensah. So Manzini Wanderers have won their match against Tinyosi by 2-0. Uphela kanjalo umhlalo yemlaleli enkundleni yesizwe kaSomhlolo. Iyanqoba iManzini Wanderers inqoba Tinyosi nemagoli amabili ekanzeni 2. Manzini Wanderers iqanza Tinyosi. Lokusho ukuthi Manzini Wanderers iyawuba khona kulesa sigqoko laba yobe bagconsana khona kuleli viki lesiqalako mhlawumbe ngemsombuluko noma ngelesibili bayogconsana amaqembu ali-16 lefaka ekhathi imbabane Highlanders lenqobe ngeligoli elilodwa ecanzeni lamuhla, ne-Young Buffaloes lenqobe ngamagoli lamathathu ecanzeni nanayo lomuhla. Uphela kanjalo kumdlalo ejabulile ebalanzeli beManzini Wanderers uthi iqembu liqhubekele embili ku-last 16 yeNgwenyama Cup. Enkundleni yesiva Somhlolo sibongile kuhlala nawe, yebo kuba nawe la khona besikubukhoma kumabonakude umhlalo weManzini Wanderers neTinyosi. Libitho lami ngabandla ngakaBhembe ngikutholela lona mhlalo ngelimi lesingisi nangaso Siswati. Kuphela kanjalo ke umhlalo nemagoli lamabili ecanzeni Mansini Wanderers ishaya iqembu letinyosi enkundleni yesivela somhlolo. Siqoqothe kanjalo Tinzambo.